Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I want to tell you all about the must-have in our toolbox. This amazing extension wrench from TITE-REACH will allow you to get to the nuts and bolts in areas where you can't easily access with a normal ratchet. It allows you to get away from the obstacle and get a full swing of your ratchet. It's great for projects around the house, or you could use it when you're working on a car, especially if you're trying to get deep down into the recesses of the engine and there's something in the way. Or if you're trying to put together a piece of furniture or take a piece of furniture apart, and there's gussets and supports that make getting a tool into a specific area very difficult. Even a very expensive ratchet has a limited amount of angle that you have to turn before the gear inside will click. And sometimes when you're working in really tight areas, you can't even get enough movement so that the ratchet handle will click between gears. This tool will allow you to get in those tight areas and allow you to move with ease and protect your poor knuckles from scrapes and cuts. My husband not only appreciated how easy and versatile this was to use, but he also liked the durability of the material it's made out of. He enjoys having it in his toolbox for small projects on his honey-do list, and I enjoy that he's getting projects done faster and with less frustration, and not to mention our Band-Aid budget has decreased because he's not coming in with banged knuckles as much. We are a family of do-it-yourselfers, and this extension wrench from TITE-REACH is a must-have in our toolbox. I also think it would make a great gift for my dad. So if you're ready to take on your honey-do list, this is a must-have, but that's just my point of view.